Grilled cheese is one of those magical foods that's comforting, simple, and endlessly customizable. Here are 5 seriously delicious ways to make grilled cheese. From the classic version we all know and love to some fun twists that will totally level up your sandwich game. Whether you're craving something nostalgic or a little spicy, there's a grilled cheese here for you. Let's get into it. We're starting off with the classic, the one you probably grew up eating. Grab 2 slices of sourdough or white bread and spread softened butter on the outside of each slice. Inside, add a couple slices of sharp cheddar cheese. Now grill it in a pan over medium heat until both sides are golden brown and the cheese is melty and gooey. It's crispy, it's comforting, it's everything a grilled cheese should be. You can't go wrong with the original. Next up, let's kick things up with a garlic bread grilled cheese. This one's perfect for garlic lovers. Instead of regular butter, we're using garlic butter. Just mix softened butter with a little garlic powder, parsley, and a pinch of salt. Spread it on the outside of your bread, then fill it with shredded mozzarella and a bit of Parmesan cheese. Grill it just like before, and what you get is basically a cheesy, garlicky, crunchy masterpiece. Think garlic bread meets grilled cheese, and yes, it's as good as it sounds. For number 3, we're going savory and juicy with a bacon and tomato grilled cheese. Start with your favorite bread, butter the outside, and layer the inside with cooked crispy bacon, thinly sliced tomato, and slices of cheddar cheese. The bacon adds a smoky crunch, the tomato brings a fresh bite, and the melted cheese ties it all together. It's like a BLT and a grilled cheese had a beautiful melty baby. Now let's spice things up with a jalapeno popper grilled cheese. This one starts with a spread of cream cheese on the inside of both bread slices. Add chopped jalapenos, fresh or pickled depending on how much heat you like, and then layer on some shredded pepper jack or Monterey Jack cheese. Grill it until the outside is crispy and golden and the inside is all creamy, spicy, and totally irresistible. It's bold, it's a little fiery, and it's honestly addictive. Finally, for number 5, let's do a breakfast grilled cheese. This one is perfect for mornings, or anytime you're craving something hearty. Start by frying up an egg. Over easy works best. On your bread, layer some cheddar or Swiss cheese, a slice of cooked ham or bacon, and that fried egg. Grill it up until the bread is crisp and the cheese is melty. When you cut into it and that yolk runs, pure breakfast bliss in sandwich form. And here's a bonus tip. Want an extra crispy golden crust? Try spreading a thin layer of mayo on the outside of your bread instead of butter. It browns beautifully and adds a subtle tang that's super satisfying. So there you have it, 5 incredible ways to make grilled cheese. Whether you stick with the classic or try something new, grilled cheese is one of those meals that never gets old. Let me know in the comments which version you're making first. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious ideas coming your way.